Hello friends, welcome to our channel BONG Food PREYOSHI. Today we are going to prepare cauliflower pakora. 400 grams of cauliflower cut into pieces like this. 10 grams of ginger and 2 green chili. 200 grams of besan or gram flour. Chopped green chilies, 50 grams of rice flour, chopped coriander leaves, For preparing the batter, take besan, rice flour, previously processed paste, chopped green chilies, coriander leaves, salt according to your taste, half teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, red chili powder according to your taste. Slowly add water to make smooth batter. Our batter is ready. We will boil the cauliflower before start frying. Add half teaspoon salt. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Now fry it in medium to high flame. Properly cover it in batter. Fry it till it gets golden brown. Friends, the pakora is ready to serve.